Number system. In this module, you will learn about numbers and number line. We have been using numbers for counting objects from hundreds of years. These counting numbers are called natural numbers. Refer to objects such as pages in book, sheep, people, or coconuts. The natural number starts with 1, and there is no limit to the largest natural number. We can show the positions of numbers using a number line. On the number line, numbers get bigger as we move from left to right. Thus, this is the positional notation of natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by n. Here for any number, the number on the right is 1 more and on the left it is 1 less. If we subtract 1 from number 1, we will get 0. And 0 is 1 less than 1, so we will mark it here. Natural numbers and 0 are known as the whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented by W. The space between two consecutive numbers can be considered as a unit distance. As we move from 0 to right-hand side, we cover 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, and so on. But what if we move 1 unit to the left-hand side of the 0? Is there any number less than 0? As we move to the right, the numbers increase, and as we move left, the numbers decrease. As we know, we can denote the right direction by positive sign and the left direction by negative sign. That means we can represent the distance on the left side of 0 as well. So, we get -1 unit, -2 units, -3 units, and so on. Here we get whole numbers and negatives of natural numbers. All these numbers together are called integers. Integers are represented by Z. The sum of two integers is also an integer. The difference of two integers is also an integer. The product of two integers is also an integer. Does this apply to division as well? It may or may not be an integer. Let us see some examples. Divide 9 by 5. Here, both 9 and 5 are integers, but 9 upon 5 is not an integer. Similarly, divide 7 by -4. Here, both 7 and -4 are integers, but -7 upon 4 is not an integer. These kinds of numbers, which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. It is denoted by Q. Do the integers also follow the rule for rational numbers? We know that any number can be written with denominator 1. This means all the integers are rational numbers. Thus, all the integers, fractions, and decimals together are called rational numbers. Let's recap. Natural numbers. All the counting numbers are natural numbers. Whole numbers. The 0 and the natural numbers form a set of whole numbers. Integers. The negative natural numbers, 0 and the natural numbers form a set of integers. Rational numbers. A number of type P upon Q is said to be a rational number if both P and Q are integers and the denominator Q is not equal to 0.